In today's video, I'm going to teach you inserting interactive checkboxes. If you want to create clean, clickable checklists in your document, there are two simple ways to do it, and both are very quick, once you know where to look. Interactive checkboxes are especially useful for to-do lists, task tracking, meeting notes, or any document where you want items to be marked complete as you go. Let's start with the keyboard shortcut method, which is probably the fastest option if you are already typing. In your document, type two square brackets like this, open bracket, close bracket. As soon as you press the spacebar, the brackets will automatically turn into an interactive checkbox. This is a great shortcut because it keeps your hands on the keyboard and helps you work faster without breaking your flow. After that, if you press enter, the document will automatically create another checkbox on the next line for you. This makes it very easy to build a full checklist one item at a time. You can keep typing your tasks, pressing enter after each one, and the next checkbox will continue to appear automatically. If you are making a longer list, this can save a lot of time. Now let's look at the menu method, which is useful if you already have a list typed out and want to convert it into checkboxes. First, highlight the list you want to turn into an interactive checklist. Once your text is selected, go to the Format menu. Then choose Bullets and Numbering. And then select Checklist. Your selected list will be converted into interactive checkboxes. Here is also an even quicker way to do the same thing. Instead of using the top menu, you can click the Checklist button directly on the toolbar. This is helpful if you prefer using visual controls or want a faster one-click option while editing. Both methods do the same basic job, so the best one really depends on how you are working. If you are starting from scratch, the square bracket shortcut is often the fastest. If you already have content written and just want to format it, using the menu or toolbar button is usually the easiest choice. As a final tip, interactive checkboxes are most helpful when your list items are short, clear, and action-based. So each box represents something that can actually be completed. That makes your document easier to scan and much more practical to use. That's how to insert interactive checkboxes quickly and efficiently in your document.